Hi everyone, welcome to Browser Buttons for Kids. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to learn all about the special buttons you see when you use the internet. Have you ever used a computer or tablet to play games, watch videos, or learn new things online? When you do, you're using something called an internet browser. Think of a browser like a special door that helps you visit all the different websites on the internet. And just like a car has a steering wheel and pedals, your internet browser has some very important buttons. These buttons help you move around, find what you're looking for, and have more fun online. First, let's look at the buttons that help you move from one page to another, just like turning pages in a book. This little house icon is your home button. If you ever get lost or just want to go back to the very first page you started with, just click the home button. These are your back and forward arrows. If you want to go back to the page you just saw, click the back arrow. If you went back too far and want to go forward again, click the forward arrow. Sometimes, a page might look a little funny, or you want to see if something new has been added. That's when you click the refresh button. It's like giving the page a little shake to make it new again. Now let's talk about some cool ways to keep track of your favorite websites and open many pages at once. These are called tabs. Tabs let you open lots of different websites all at the same time, without closing the one you're already on. It's like having many books open on your desk. To open a new tab, just look for a little plus sign, usually next to your open tabs. Click it, and a brand new empty page will appear, ready for your next adventure. Do you have a favorite website you love to visit again and again? The bookmark icon, often a star or a ribbon, helps you save it. Click it, and your browser will remember that website for you, so you can find it easily next time. There are a few more important buttons that help you control how your browser window looks on your screen. This button, which sometimes looks like 3 dots or 3 lines, is a special menu. It hides even more options and settings for your browser. It's like a secret drawer full of useful tools. At the very top corner of your browser window, you'll see 3 small buttons. Minimize makes the window disappear to your taskbar, Maximize makes it big, and Close shuts it down completely. Finally, let's talk about where you type to find things on the internet. The search bar is where you type in words or questions about what you want to find. If you want to find videos of cats, you would type cat videos here. And this long bar at the top is the URL bar. A URL is like a website's special address. If you know the exact address of a website, you can type it right here to go there directly. Wow, you've learned about so many important browser buttons today. You're becoming a real internet explorer. The best way to learn is by practicing. Next time you're online, try finding and clicking some of these buttons. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Keep exploring, keep learning, and have fun using your browser buttons.